Homeowners should be thinking about more than just panels and inverters when they're buying a solar system. They should be looking into the company that's behind the installation, the differences in the performance and the longevity of panels, companies that are going to be there to back the warranties of those panels, and not just the panels, also the inverters. Performance is a very important thing. It pays to invest in a good quality system. It definitely pays to pay that little bit more and get yourself a top quality system. We're able to give customers a good return on investment, and we're able to stand by the return on investment that we then propose to them, because we know that that product's going to be there for the long time. Over the years, I've seen a lot of systems that have failed. I've seen panels that have burnt out. I've been an installer for 10 years, so I've actually been out there on roofs, pulling systems down, replacing faulty panels, dealing with customers when they've had shoddy workmanship done, roof leaks, all the rest of it. From seeing that, now that I've gotten into the retail space, I really know the importance of selecting a high quality panel with the backing of a strong warranty. In my book, that's just a no-brainer. Yeah, look, it does cost that little bit more. I mean, to pay an extra $1,000 for the next 15 years hassle-free, a company that's got a good reputation in the industry, that they know that will be there for them to back up the system down the track, it just makes sense.